Hey everyone, Tessa here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to put the Blackjack Basic Strategy Chart, aka Blackjack Cheat Sheet, to the test. While playing Blackjack on Chumba Casino, I recently received sweeps coins drop, so I'll be using that. If you've ever wondered how to make the best moves at the blackjack table without guessing, this printable Blackjack Cheat Sheet is for you. I'll be following the cheat sheet step by step to maximize my conversions to get to as close to 100% conversion rate as possible. So stick around and let's see how well this strategy works.
So before we start playing blackjack, I just want to show you what I did. I tested out blackjack with gold coins. In case you don't know what gold coins are, it's kind of like Monopoly money. So you can practice the games and get a feel for them, and you're not going to risk any of your sweeps coins. I played about 33 games, I guess here, 33 games. The dealer won 20, I won 13, and converted at, it was a conversion rate of 99.93%. Did another 32 games, and it was, around the same. I won 13, the dealer won 19, and again it was 99.93% conversion rate. And then I sat down one more time and I did more games, 15. The dealer won 15, I won 17, so I actually came a little bit ahead on that one. So just a little positive gain there. And now I'm going to play with sweeps coins, which turns into real money. So here's my cheat sheet, or my Blackjack Basic Strategy Chart, and it'll show, it's just going to tell me what to do, and I am going to follow it because I am not an expert at blackjack. Maybe just 50 cents in sweeps coins. So you just click on place bet, and then we deal. Okay. That's terrible. Okay. All right. So well, you know what? I just have to double check on what to do here. So the dealer's showing a king and I have 16. So if we go over here, you go down here, the dealer's showing a king, which is a 10. So, 10, jack, queen, king, they're all 10. And I have 16, so a hard 16. So I do hit. So I am going to hit. Whoa! Oh, I am so lucky. That was good. All right, great. So I'll place another one. Okay, so the dealer's showing a jack or a 10, and I have a hard 13. So I have a hard 13. I hit. So I hit and hope for the best. Too many. Okay. All right, let me do it. Pretty sure I hit here because, I don't think I have to look at my cheat sheet for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit. Hit. Sometimes it doesn't respond that well. Okay, well, I got to stay. Yes! Yay, I win that one. Okay. Oh, and I should mention, Chumba sent me a drop of $350, $320, I forget what it was, 300 and something the other day, and my husband played a little live blackjack and redeemed some. So right now we have, in the redeemable sweeps coins, we have 90. So the redeemable sweeps coins, that's real cash. And I am just playing right now with my unplayed sweeps coins, and I'll only play with sweeps coins. Once the unplayed sweeps coins becomes 0, I stop. Because then, if I continue, it's going to take from my redeemable sweeps coins, which is real cash. And I am not going to play with real cash, only sweeps coins. I have $233.11 in sweeps coins to play with. I think I'm going to go with $1 and see what happens. Okay, all right, so the dealer is showing 3, and I have a hard 16. So I'm going to go over here, dealer showing a 3, and I have a hard 16. So I stay, because chances are the dealer will bust. So I'm going to stay. Dealer won. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure I just stay. I'll just double check. I just want to be sure. So, yeah, I stay. Okay, so I stay. Yes! Yay! Yay! Very excited. Good. Pretty sure I stay, but I'll just double check. Okay, the dealer's showing a 10, and I have 17. I stay, yes. Oh, push. So even though it's a push, I still win, and understand, my husband, he's the blackjack expert. At a real casino, if you don't get money back on a push, apparently. So, okay, let's do this again. Okay, dealer showing 9 and I have 14. I'm pretty sure I would have to hit on that. I'll just double check. Showing a 9 and I have 14. Yes, I have to hit. Okay. And then I'm sure I have to stop. Okay. Yes! Yes! Yeah, you see, the dealer has to hit on a 16, which is, good for us. So, that's great. Okay, so let's place another one. Okay, I'd probably stay. I'll just double check. The dealer's showing a 2 and I have 18. I'm showing a 2 and yeah, stay. Stay, okay. Oh, I could double too. I'm not going to do that because the cheat sheet doesn't tell me to double on this, so I'm not going to double. Another push. So I win again. Yay. Okay, dealer showing a 5 and I have 14. Dealer showing a 5 and I have 14. Where's 14? So I stay. Yay! This is going well. I am very happy. Okay, place, and the dealer showing a 6 and I have 15. Showing a 6 and I have 15, 15, 15, I stay. Okay. Alright, we can't win them all. Okay, showing a 10 and I have 13. I'm pretty sure I have to hit 13. Yes, I do. Okay, push, so I win. Yay! Ugh. Oh, okay, this is good. I'm glad this came up. My husband says to say no to insurance every single time, so just say no to insurance. Okay, now the dealer's showing an ace, and I have, and it says 1 or 11 because ace is either a 1 or it's an 11. So showing an ace, and I have 11. Of course, I got a hit, but I just want to go over here, and I have 11 of. Oh, double! I have a right. Of course, I got a double. I got a double. Okay. 17. Okay. 17. Okay. Okay. That worked. Yay. Okay. Pretty sure I just stay. Yay! Yay! Okay, so dealer showing a 5 and I have 13. I stay. Right, because there's a possibility that the dealer will bust. Stay. Ugh, too bad. Okay, of course I have to hit. Wonder if okay, showing an 8 and I have 10. I don't know, it might say to double or something. Showing an 8 and I have 10. Oh, it does say to double. Okay. Okay, I'll do it. I'll double it. No! No! Pretty sure I stay. That would be crazy. Showing a 10 and I have 17. Let me just double check. Yeah, I stay. Okay. Aww. Okay, dealer showing a 3 and I have 12. Dealer showing a 3 and I have 12. So I hit. Okay, alright. Ugh. Dealer showing a 3 and I have 18. I just want to make sure. Okay, dealer showing a 3 and I have 18. So I just stay. No! Okay. Dealer showing a 3 and I have 13. Stay. Oh. Ah! Okay, so dealer showing a 10 and I have 11. I know I hit, but maybe I have to double too. Okay, so dealer showing a 10 and I have 11. 11. Oh, I do double. Okay, so I double. Okay. Yay! I still have $213.11 in sweeps coins to play with, and I have $107.25 in real money. It hasn't come up yet, but I'm not sure if you know what soft means. So it's like a soft 13, for example, would be an ace is involved. Because an ace is worth either 1 or 11. So if you have, say, a 2 and an ace, then that is either 3 or 13. So that's what soft means. And then we also haven't had any pairs yet. So you want to make sure that if you do get pairs, say if the dealer's showing a 3 and you have a pair of 7s, for example, then you're going to, SP means to split. So it will show, so down, right here is the split. So it'll highlight and it'll suggest that you split. And sometimes it suggests you split, but this chart doesn't suggest that you split. So I always just go by this chart. But anyway, let's see. The dealer's showing a 10 and I have 12. So I hit. Okay, so I hit. Okay. Do I hit on 16 also? Oh, I hit again. Okay. Okay, well, I am going to stop there. I am going to figure out what I converted at.
All right, that was a fun session. I converted at 98.92%. So as you can see, following the Blackjack cheat sheet really helps to make the right decisions and maximize your sweeps coins conversions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also, don't forget to check the description for links to the Blackjack cheat sheet and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.